Today is the day. Basically, GT Subi 3.0
Oh my god.
actually begins. Yeah, I forgot to move that stuff. I'm gonna move it now. But first, I gotta get a haircut because what you see going on right now is not okay. I'll explain the plan a little bit later, but let's take care of this first. Okay, so haircut's done. Shout out to Robert at Imperial Barbers at South Center. So thank you, dude, for the hookup. Needed it really bad, so hopefully it looks a little bit better. We just made it home. What we're gonna do is clay bar the car, get it ready for the wrap and everything like that. Start disassembling, taking off these door panels, take off the top of the roof back here in the back so I can access the antenna, the shark fin. That's what they call it. And then as soon as we get to Alex's, which is where we're gonna actually do the wrap, we're gonna take off the front bumper, take off the rear bumper, the side skirts, and the trim along the roof. So
12 seconds later.
Never mind, I lied. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna take Galaxy's car to one guy she knows who's gonna go and wrap her chrome trim. We actually just got it done is her, she just got an exhaust. Thanks to Pro Exhaust for helping us out in Auburn. Hooking it up there. It's just a muffler delete, but it sounds really, really good. So I'll put that in right here. So we're gonna head over there, get that dropped off, and then we're going to head on back. Then we'll detail and clay bar the car, and then we will get the car over to Alex to start disassembling and getting ready for the wrap. Sure, so we can get a sound clip of her car so you guys can hear it. Alright, I gotta zoom this out. Woo.
Is that him? Other guy that had the wagon?
Alright, well, the unofficial review of Woo's wraps. I just met the guy. I don't know much about them, but from what I can see, his appearance and definitely organization is a key, so that's a good start for anything. Yeah, so like I said earlier, they're gonna be basically just wrapping this horrible chrome trim around the doors. Kind of go with, kind of get rid of that so it matches more of the carbon fiber black roof, and then also side skirts and the rear lip and tires. So we'll see this thing in a few hours. Something like that.
I don't want to be like a fake M3.
It won't be an M3. It'll be way better because it'll be on the sides.
I'm not trying to be.
It won't be.
It's just that they're 28. I'm just trying to keep it that way. With that look in the back.
Well, this will be posted super late, but comment down below if she should do quad tips or keep it 328 style. She can't stop. She can't stop.
Oh yeah. I'd rather just do the right
saying goodbye, and now we're also gonna be tinting the taillights.
Why not?
She can't stop spending. I've turned her into this car girl that cannot stop getting stuff for her car. And it looks so much better than my car though.
Alright, so I'll call you guys when, yeah, I'll message you when it's all done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good, man.
Yep.
We'll see you later.
Alright.
Alright. I wish I had tons of money to spend in my car.
I wish I had.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. She's money bags, guys. I hope you guys understand that I don't make a lot of money. She does. She's my sugar mama. Is it hot in here? I am in, so I'll take my clothes off.
Let's go.
Okay, time to detail the car. Let's just go straight there. Okay, bye. Okay, so the car's washed. It's not dry yet, and I'm not gonna dry it yet because I'm gonna actually use the instant detailer that came with the clay bar kit that I got. Super cheap, like $22. Now, while it's wet, I'm gonna clay bar the car, use kind of that instant detailer spray that came with it. Should be done. Just dry her off from there and head over to Alex's and start taking stuff off. So let's do it. What I'm gonna be using is this Mother's California Gold clay kit. It comes with basically 2 100-gram clay bars and also a instant detailer. And a microfiber towel. Well, there we go. By the way, I'm moving, so no longer see this place anymore. So enjoy now. So I just did all that. The hood and the front bumper looks so much better, and it's in way better condition than it was before. Let's do the passenger side. At least the front bumper's done, and then we'll head over to Alex's. This side's done. It's probably time to head to Alex's. I'm probably getting blown up on my phone, so let's call this quits and get over there and just see if we can at least start wrapping the front bumper. Big no room in here. Okay, so now there's more light, but you guys can see we got this whole area in here got going. So I'm about to start wrapping. So excited. Let's get this going.
2 hours later.
All right, so I took a little bit of a break filming because we had a lot going on here. Just taking off all these body panels and just taking the car completely apart. Like taking off the side skirts, the front bumper, the headlights, the fenders, the door panels. Basically everything that really matters as far as getting to the parts that we're actually going to be wrapping. Of course, right now, we're gonna be black and white. I'm not gonna share with you what's gonna go on, but I can promise you that right after this vlog and everything is done, since this is only day 1, we're going to give you a release of the actual finished product. But with that said, kind of our progress that we have right now. We got this panel is now wrapped, although right now it's just like a light gray to you guys. That's done. We still haven't done any of this yet, but side skirts are off, lights are out, probably sitting on the bay. I don't know if you guys can even see. Front bumper's off. Rear bumper's there. One of the side skirts. Front bumper here. Whole rear part taken apart. He's working on wrapping the rear quarter panel, which goes all the way across the side, which is a total bitch from what we've been talking about, but I'm learning. So, I mean, I think that's all that matters. I'm learning. I'm trying to figure out this whole process and see how to really wrap a car. Luckily I'm doing it on mine, so I probably won't have to do it again, but if I can help somebody out and help a friend out, then that would be even better. Taking in and observing and seeing everything that's going on. So long couple more days, probably just gonna try and finish up most or somewhat of the right side, and then we're gonna move on to the other side probably tomorrow and hopefully finish the left and right sides Sunday, the final day, be able to do the trunk and then bumpers. try to keep you guys posted. I did a time check, it's 4 in the morning. With that said, we are going to probably call it quits for the night. We got the front fenders done and about to do basically unibody in the rear quarter panel, finishing up now-ish, probably 15, 20 minutes or something like that. And then we're gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna crash here when we start up in the morning. We got a couple people dropping by to say hi, and also another special guest, so you guys will be able to check them out helping with the actual reveal video of the car. So that said, to the next vlog, we'll just come back tomorrow and make this happen. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, stay humble.